Hello, YouTube. Dear teachers, educators, trainers, anybody working in education. Do you find yourself spending countless hours to find the best teaching materials for your students? I would like to show you a platform that I think might save you a few hours or even dozens of hours of preparation, seeking new materials, and the right educational content that will fit your students' needs. So today I'm going to show you a platform called Edcafe AI. It's been created to help teachers minimize the amount of work they are putting into lesson preparation and bring back the joy of teaching with truly engaging and tailored materials that make a difference for both teachers and students. Let's dive right in. To get started, all we need to do is to hit the Create New button, and we have a selection of choices: planning, teaching, and assessment. So I'm going to show you how the slide deck option works. And basically, we can create a presentation slide deck from any source: topic, text, web page, or file. In this case, I'm going to use a file over here and select a photo of a conditionals summary chart and also add some instructions to it. I'm keeping the number of slides under 10 and the output language is English, but you can select a different language from a pretty wide selection of languages. Let's select the purple daydream theme and hit generate slides. And here it is. I've got 10 slides that I can go and review. I can add pictures, select an image, and here it is. If I like the presentation, I can hit save, and I have a few options here. I can assign this to my student by sharing it on Google Classroom or Microsoft Teams, or just copying a link and sending it to them. I can also export the slide into Microsoft PowerPoint or Google Slides so I can later edit it or present it. So there it is, the slide deck creator. Now let me show you the teaching resources feature. It's really useful when you don't have much time and you really want to personalize your lesson to a group or a specific student. Here I'm going to search for, let's say, small talk during networking events and hit find teaching resources. And we can see that we are getting some results for each category. There are 5 articles to review, a few slide decks, videos, and worksheets that we can go through and choose which are the best for our students or, well, in general, audience. The next feature is lesson plan. Here we can create any lesson plan from a source such as topic, text, web page, or document. So in this case, I'm going to use the web page option and hit generate lesson plan. And here we have a potentially ready to teach lesson plan with learning objectives and vocabulary that is related to the article over here and all the other sections that we might find useful during teaching the lesson. And the section ends with even suggested homework that we can also consider giving to our students. Now let me show you the chatbot. That is a really interesting feature here. We can create a custom chatbot tailored to any specific needs and interactions. So here I've described what I wanted to do. It's about practicing small talk, travel, hotel vocabulary, and so on. And I'll click create chatbot. In this section, you get to fine-tune the chatbot by making sure that it's going to behave as you wish it to behave. You can also add different files such as a web page or upload a presentation based on which the bot will interact with the user. You can also adapt the language and the voice. And here's what you get. You get a ready to interact with chatbot that you can assign to your students. And if you'd like to test it out, I'm going to link the chatbot in the description of the video. And you can let me know what you think about it in the comments below. Moving on, let's have a look at the flashcard generator. Again, you can add a topic, text, web page, or file, and basically it's going to generate a flashcard set that you'll be able to share it with your students. You may also find the AI image generator quite interesting, where you can generate an image by choosing a style and giving it a prompt. Then over here, AI speech is also a pretty cool feature. Next, the summary note, where you can create a summary on any topic or source material. The reading activity option is to create a reading exercise based on any topic, vocabulary list, and even a YouTube video. Here, based on a YouTube link, I got a reading passage, and I even managed to generate an audio recording for it with vocabulary words and even a quiz that my student can later use to check their knowledge, and they will get feedback from AI after they submit their answers. In the assessment section, there's a quiz generator, YouTube quiz, or assignment grader. Let's have a look at the quiz. And we've got the ready quiz here, ready to share. And this is what your student would see if they clicked on the link they got from you. And well, all they need to do is start filling out the quiz and then getting personalized feedback based on what they've written in these open answers over here. You can also find this link in the description below. So what does it take to create a YouTube quiz on the Edcafe platform? Well, all you need to do is to paste a YouTube link, adjust a few things, and click Generate YouTube Quiz. Here you go. Here are the results. All you need to do is review, save, and off to class. The assignment grader is also a pretty cool feature where you can provide instant AI feedback on student assignments by creating a grader. After entering the required details, let's click Create Assignment Grader, save it, and here we go. This is what you see, and this is what your student will see. So there you go. This is a quick summary of the features that I've been checking out today with you, and you're welcome to go ahead and set up an account, see which features resonate with you, and I look forward to finding out what you think about it by commenting on the video below. That's all for today. I hope you enjoyed this short walkthrough on how Edcafe works. Dear Edcafe AI team, thank you for reaching out and giving me the opportunity to test out your platform and for sponsoring this video. Now, dear YouTubers, if you'd like to check out how I quickly create Quizlet flashcards with ChatGPT, you can see the video. And if you'd like to see how I create speaking simulations for my students, you can check out this video over here. Have a great rest of the day, and I'll see you in the next video.